Hello guys, let's discuss this problem on surface area of a cone. This problem says a tent is in the form of right circular cylinder surmounted by a cone. The diameter of the cylinder is 24 meter. The height of this cylindrical portion is 11 meter while the vertex of the cone is 16 meter above the ground. You need to find out the area of the canvas required for the tent. So first of all, let's understand this statement. This problem is trying to say here, this right circular cylinder is surmounted by a cone. If you need to make a tent, you can understand this way. This is the cylinder and here this cylinder is surmounted by a cone. The vertex of this cone is 16 meter above the ground. So this total height from this point to the base, this point, you may say this is h dash. This height is 16 meter and you know that height of this right circular cylinder, this is 16 meter. This is 11 meter. This is 11 meter and this height is 16 meter. Now what the height of right circular cone is going to be? 16 minus 11, this will give you the height of this right circular cone. So let's write down height of cylinder. Height of cylinder is 11 meter. This has been given to you and you know that vertex of cone is above the ground, by 16 meter. So from this reference, this vertex is 16 meter above the ground. Now the height of right circular cone is going to be height of right circular cone. Height of right circular cone is going to be 16 minus 11 and this will give you 5 meter. Now after this, you know that you need to find out the area of canvas required. To make the tent, area requiring will be in the curved surface area of the cylinder as well as in the curved surface area of the cone. You know the diameter. What is the diameter? Diameter will be same for both the cylinder as well as the cone, which is 24 meter. Now the radius is going to be 24 by 7 meter. Now after this you can easily calculate the surface area of the right circular cylinder and area of the right circular cone. So area of canvas required will be 2 pi RH, which is the curved surface area of the cylinder, plus area of the cone, which is pi RL. You know the value for R, you know the value for H, you need to calculate the value of this slant height. How will you calculate that? You know that L is the root of H square plus R square. You know the height of this, which is radius is half of the diameter. So you will divide this. So H square, H is coming out to be 16 minus 11, which is 5. 5 whole square plus R is 12 whole square. So this length is going to be 13 meter. Now you know the value for R, you know the value for height of the cylinder, you know the value for radius of the cone and as well as you know the slant height of this cone. What you will do, let's put the value for R, H and L in this equation to calculate the canvas area required. So when you solve this, what you will get, after solving this equation, you will get 1320 meter square. Why meter square? Because you are calculating the area, not the volume. I really hope there should be no doubt. I will be taking more problems in the coming video lecture. Thank you.